with shadows. The lights are running low. A haze of burning memories floats everywhere I go. I hear your voice behind me, even though you never spoke. Just whispers, whispers in the smoke. Whispers in the smoke, calling out my name, pulling me back to love, back to the flame. No matter how I try, I can't let you go. You're the whisper. In the smoke, the world turns soft and hazy, like the night we said goodbye. I taste your kiss in every ghost that drifts across the sky. Your arms were once my shelter. Ooh, now I'm standing here alone, listening for whispers to guide me home. If loving you was fire, then burning is all I know. Still hearing whispers in the smoke. The room is filled with shadows. The lights are running low. A haze of burning memories floats everywhere I go. I hear your voice behind me, even though you never spoke. Just whispers, whispers in the smoke. In the smoke, calling out my name, pulling me back to love, back to the flame. No matter how I try, I can't let you go. You're the whispers in the smoke. Soft taste your kiss in every ghost that drifts across the sky. Your arms were once my shelter, now I'm standing here alone, listening for whispers to guide me home. Whispers in the smoke, whispers in the smoke, whispers in the fire, then burning is all I know. Still hearing whispers in the smoke. In the smoke. I've been calling out for comfort in these empty rooms, hoping for a whisper that could chase away the gloom. But even in the silence, your voice is breaking through. 'Cause darling, ain't no echo, no echo like you. Ain't no echo like you. Echo softly cutting through. No sound comes close, no memory too. Ain't no echo like you. I've tried to drown your memory in a symphony of lies, but your name keeps coming back in every lullaby. No matter where I wander, no matter what I do, there's always that echo. that could chase away the gloom. But even in the silence, your voice is breaking through. 'Cause darling, ain't no echo, no echo like you. Ain't no echo like you. Soft but cutting through. No sound comes close, no memory too. Ain't no echo like you. But your name keeps coming back in every lullaby. No matter where I wander, no matter what I do, there's always that echo, always you. December into memories of spring. Your laughter tasted sweet like sugar from the start. Oh baby, you've been honey on my heart. Oh, honey on my heart, dripping slow and divine. Every little like you were meant to be mine. You make the broken pieces feel like brand new parts. Oh baby, you're honey, honey on my heart. You soothe away my worries with just a gentle touch. You lift me when I'm sinking. Lord, I needed you that much. You're the melody that melts the pain and tears apart, baby. You're the honey on my taste this sweet. You turn my hurt into something complete. like summer on the breeze. Turn my cold December into memories of spring. Your laughter tasted sweet like sugar from the start. Oh baby, you've been honey on my heart. Honey on my heart, dripping slow and divine. Every little moment feels like you were meant to be mine. You make the broken pieces feel like brand new parts. Oh baby, you're honey, honey on my heart. You soothe away my worries with just a gentle touch. You lift me when I'm sinking. Lord, I needed you that much. You're the melody that melts the pain and tears apart. Baby, you're the honey on my heart. Honey on my heart. Honey on my heart. I never knew love could taste this sweet. You turned my hurt into something complete. Ooh, honey on my heart. Oh, honey on mine. Honey on. Oh, honey on my It's past the midnight hour, and I'm still wide awake, thinking about your promises, the ones you used to make. Your shadow's on my pillow, your whispers in my ear, but all that's left beside me are midnight velvet tears. Midnight velvet tears falling down my face, trying to forget you, but you're too hard to erase. I gave you all my heart, but you left me here crying midnight. Midnight velvet tears. I hear the record spinning, our song in soft repeat. Every note reminds me of the way you held me sweet. I reach out in the darkness, but you're nowhere near. Just me and all these midnight tears. Midnight velvet tears falling down my face. If heartbreak is a river, then I'm drowning tonight, losing myself where we lost our light, crying midnight, velvet tears. It's past the midnight hour, and I'm still wide awake, thinking about your promises, the ones you used to make. Your shadows on my pillow, your whispers in my ear, but all that's left beside me are midnight velvet tears. Midnight velvet tears falling down my face, trying to forget you, but you're too hard to erase. I gave you all my heart, but you left me here crying midnight, midnight velvet tears falling down my face. I hear the record spinning, a song in soft repeat. Every note reminds me of the way you held me sweet. I reach out in the darkness, but you're nowhere near, just me and all these midnight velvet tears. Midnight velvet tears falling down my face. If heartbreak is a river, then I'm drowning tonight, losing myself where we lost our light, crying midnight, velvet tears, crying midnight, velvet The rain begins to fall like the tears I couldn't hide. Every drop reminds me of the nights you held me tight. Love came like a storm, wild and sweet and small. Oh, darling, won't you love me like the rainfall. Love me like the rainfall, soft but strong. Touch me like a memory let your feelings fall, baby. Love me like the rainfall. Your kiss was like the thunder rolling deep inside my soul. Your touch was like the lightning making broken pieces whole. I'll wait here in the quiet till I hear you call. Baby, come and love me like the rainfall. The sky open up and wash our fears away. Love me like the rainfall. The rain begins to fall, like the tears I couldn't hide. Every drop reminds me of the nights you held me tight. Love came like a storm, wild and sweet and small. Oh darling, won't you love me? Love me like the rainfall. Love me like the rainfall, soft but strong. Touch me like a memory I've missed so long. Let your heart surround me, let your feelings fall. Baby, love me like the rainfall. Your kiss was like the thunder rolling deep inside my soul. Your touch was like the lightning making broken pieces whole. I'll wait here in the quiet till I hear you call. Baby, come and love me like the rainfall. Love me like the rainfall. Ooh. Let the sky open up and wash our feet